My experience at School of Continuing Studies at York was amazing. The professors were great. The content that was taught to us was amazing. So some of the examples were marketing automation, SEOs, content amplification, and all of these subjects and content is really helping me right now in my job at Wavemaker. So for example, it was taught to us as to how we can create like a master blocking chart for a particular account, right? And that's exactly the same thing and what I am doing with my client at Wavemaker. So yeah, so this was like one of the great example that was actually taught to us at school, and I got an hands-on experience to it. So it was amazing. Apart from that, even during my job search, the professors were very supportive. I would reached out to professors of my course, and they were more than happy to help me, guide me in the job searching process. So all in all, the experience at School of Continuing Studies at York was nothing short of amazing.